Hey, preacher, you don't hate. You hate Muslim, innit? You hate Muslim.
I hate everyone.
You hate Muslimism.
I hate everybody but me. I hate everybody.
My brother was saying this guy. He hate Muslims. You like Putin? You like Putin?
I love Putin.
To be honest, it looks bad.
No, I hate Putin, man.
You exposed yourself again, wallah.
How did I explain?
You exposed last time you supported Bloodfire. You supported Bloodfire and now you supporting another one.
No, Willie. Defending is different from supporting.
We Muslim are not in that. We're not violent. We're not supporting people.
You're not particularly gifted with words or ideas, but I know it's difficult for you. But defending is not the same as supporting. I don't agree with Bloodfire's ideas. I defend him because he's my friend, not because I agree with
Did
his
you feel
ideas.
intimidated when I was talking to him?
No.
Yeah, but why he's coming to you telling you don't be intimidated from Muslim, say anything to Muslim.
He wasn't talking to me, he was talking to the other guy who was coming at his
And he
face.
telling me to remove the camera from my face.
I did.
I put the camera in his face.
I don't agree with
Can't do shit
it. But
about
there
it.
was another guy coming at his face too.
I was talking to him. He was talking to me. There was no other one. He was talking
And
to me.
if you opened your eyes a little bit, you would have seen that I tried to pull the guy away from you and from the other guy who was trying to get in his face. I pulled him away. No, of course. I only see Muslims do bad things. I wasn't trying to pull that Christian guy away. No, you don't see that. You only see when I give criticism to Muslims. You don't see it when I give it to Christians.
When Bob,
because you're blind. You're
when
blind
Bob
yourself.
slapped Afghan with the Quran, did you support the Afghan
About what? With the Quran. You fucking stabbed Bob in the foot with the umbrella.
With the umbrella,
yeah. With the umbrella.
You're making fun of yourself.
What
Stop
do you
him
mean
with the
making
umbrella.
fun of yourself?
So he fingered
Did you actually watch the video?
He fingered him in the
Did you
floor.
actually watch the video?
Yeah, I watched the floor. I watched the video.
You watched the video that in the exact moment that Afghan Mo puts the umbrella down, Bob slaps him with the Quran.
Yeah, is that not violent?
It's like a
That's not
little
violent.
coincidence, doesn't it?
So if we stand in debating now and because a lot of people around us, I still think you slap me. That's how it should
With
be.
the umbrella in his foot.
Yes, the guy, yeah. Didn't you see the video? How many people around him? The guy putting the umbrella in the floor, touching his leg, he slapped him with the Quran. That's one of your group as well. The people we support.
Willie, if one person does something physical, if one person
It's
punches
not one.
another
It's
person,
not one.
I think the
we
person
have
who
Bob.
got punched
We have Bob.
has the
We
right
have
to punch
Bloodfire.
back. Yes.
We have another one now. It's not
do you
only
think,
one.
Do you think if you get punched, you don't have the right to punch back?
Yeah, but who punched him?
Why do Muslims always punch back then? No, because they have some brains in their heads, because only an idiot doesn't punch back when he gets punched. Everybody punches back when he gets punched, man. Everybody. What does this have to do with white or black? Why are you guys so desperate to bring Islam or racism into Who am I sympathizing with?
The man that just assaulted me.
Why is he a terrorist?
He's a terrorist because he caused terror. What's a terrorist? What's a terrorist? I love this guy. He just caused terror.
And you support that because he's Christian.
He just showed his hatred towards the Muslims.
Yeah.
You're accepting it.
Yes.
This guy's having a lot of fun this weekend. No, guys, I don't agree with religion overall. I'm not. But you jump into crowd control, bro. It's crowd control. It's crowd control. There are Christians, Muslims, Jews.
No, you don't agree, but you will jump with it when the Christian, you will jump. That's what you do. When you come to Muslim, you don't.
It's like the meme. It's like
you will. No, but you will. Would you?
Saying something.
No, you will. Would you?
You know that meme, right?
Hey, you do you?
Dude, okay. Tell me honestly, you didn't see me trying to pull the Christian guy away. You didn't see that.
He tried to help him.
He's pulling him away.
No, you are
he's Christian. Let me tell you. Can I say something? Can I say something nice?
Who was this guy, by the way?
You like to be
Today. He literally did this man like this. He hit two people. He hit a person.
I didn't see him
And
any
then he
angle.
hit the cameraman.
You want to be
And
the
then you went to him. You knew that people was going to
Are you
go to
talking
him.
about
Please,
I'm talking about you.
When it comes to Muslim, it's not the peacemaker. But when it comes to Christian, this is my issue.
Anyway, guys, happy Halloween, happy rest of the night.
Your friend can tell you. I explain
Which
to you what I
friend?
mean.
Which friend?
Yeah, your cameraman.
I don't see where this. Sorry.
Tell him what I just said.
You can tell me yourself if you want.
I said you're a peacemaker only when it comes to Christian.
No, I'm not a
But
peacemaker.
when
I don't see myself as a peacemaker.
when it comes to Muslim, you're not.
I
saw
disagree.
you. I saw
I'm
you
not-
many
I don't care.
times.
I don't care
I
enough
saw
to try
you
to
many
make peace
times.
all the time.
Yeah, you do. You
No, I don't care
jumping.
enough. I don't care
Last
enough.
week you jumping for Blackfire. Before
because
that
he's
you
my
jumping
friend.
for another one there. You and that
Because
lady.
Blackfire is my
Yeah,
friend.
Yeah, I saw you, man. I saw you.
Dude, okay,
You've
this
been
is
caught
not
on
about-
camera.